Systeme.io increases value and lower the price. Yes, this is a very big and interesting news of the latest days. I made a video about Systeme some weeks ago where I showed you the new sub-account feature, and that's pretty awesome, but there's something even better. Now, the new startup plan is only $17. As you can see here, they lowered the price. This was $27 if I'm not wrong, and now it's only $17. And remember, you can start for free with the freemium plan. I already showed you what you can do with the freemium plan. You can check this page. You obviously can find the link in the description, so you can check all the things you can do with Systeme. But again, even better, because if you pay annually, this price goes down because you pay 2 months less. You can make your calculation, and this is pretty awesome. But it's even better because if you already have a startup plan with Systeme, you can change your price, you can lower your price, but you need to do something very specific. Here are the instructions how to benefit from the new startup price. If you already have an existing subscription, you need to cancel your current subscription via settings. After cancellation, your current plan stays active until the next renewal date, and once your subscription ends, you'll automatically return to the freemium plan. You won't lose any of your content, and then you can again upgrade with the new price of $17 instead of $27. This is a pretty good move from Systeme. Systeme again is a funnel builder, but not only. You can create sales funnels, send marketing emails, you can build websites, you can build blogs, you can manage your affiliates, you can create online courses, you can create your online shops for products, digital and physical products. It's a CRM because you also have a pipeline, many things for free to start out, and then if you want to upgrade, you can do it now for way less. It's, I think, one of the very few companies that does something like this, because usually prices increase. They are lowering the prices for a product that gets better week after week, and I want to show you this is one of the latest updates. For example, they introduced the calendar feature recently, so now you also have your calendar here in Systeme. They are adding something every single week, and this tool is becoming very good. Just take a look at this page, link is in the description. You can see the difference between the freemium and the startup plan. You go from 2,000 to 5,000 contacts. You have unlimited email sent, even for the free plan. You have 10 email campaigns. You have 10 automation rules, 5 workflows, 60 API requests per minute. You have 10 sales funnels, and if you activate your sub-accounts, you have all these numbers for each of your unlimited sub-accounts. This is pretty aggressive as an offer, so I don't know why you don't have an account with Systeme. I really don't know why you still don't have an account with Systeme. That's it. I just wanted to show you this pretty good news. So link is in the description. Start for free, try it out if you never tried. Build your first funnels or pages or courses and so on. And if you like it, you can upgrade to the startup plan for even less than before. I hope you liked it. If so, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. You can click here to see some other contents about Systeme, and I'll see you soon in the next video.